And welcome to the roll-in dock section here in our 6,500 square foot showroom at Reader's Digest. As you can see, I'm underneath the patio umbrella with the swivel chairs. We offer those both in a gray and or a beige, as well as benches, both our standard bench and our premium bench, which is back here. We also feature a really nice dock box. This dock box is a waterproof thread with a waterproof container and pneumatic hinges. Perfect for all your life vest and whatever else that you might want to put out into your dock and not have to bring in night after night. You'll notice too, we have a nice staircase here. These are 3 landing steps with railing. And all of our various accessories are in our infinite channel. Just like our sectional docks, our roll-in docks have a channel system that is 8.5 inches apart from each other for all of your various accessories. So you're not drilling your steps into your dock system. You're not drilling your bumpers. You're not drilling your bench system. You're not drilling your ladder. Everything goes into the JB Lund Dock with absolutely no drilling. We talked about the different colors of furniture. This goes along with our different colors of decking. So as you can see, we have our gray decking and our beige decking. Now let's dive into this just a little bit deeper so that we can look at how well our JB Lund Dock is constructed. The JB Lund Dock is set up with 4x4 panels. They're inside of a tray, so they literally drop in. They're tongue and groove, as you can see here, so they lock or interlock one to another. Additionally, you have 3 stringers, 1, 2, and 3. This decking and this frame is so solid, the bulk of our clients do not have to screw their decks in. They literally just drop them in and lock them in place. With the JB Lund Roll-In Dock, everything is extruded. All of your framework is beefy. Just to give you a quick glance, at the side of the frame of a JB Lund Dock, this is the extrusion that I'm talking about here. You don't just have a hollow pipe, but instead you have framework that is built to last regardless of the stress or strain that is put on your dock system. This dock is a 15-year warranty, just like our sectional dock. Our decking has a 5-year warranty. It's fade resistant, it's UV protected. These docks at Reader's Digest are built to last.